Hello interwhoops. It's Heath's Vlog Stardate 120824. I'm going to my third audition for the week. It's a Friday, and I refuse to sing the song, even though every time I say Friday, it makes me think of that song. Okay. Traffic's a nightmare, blah blah blah. I'm at my pee break area, so I'm going to give her. This audition is a silent on camera, or a SOC, that's what I call it, an SOC. I'm a construction worker. I have my wardrobe, work boots in the back, and a private vest and a hard hat, which I think I'll just carry that stuff in instead of putting it on, whatever. So I'll go and I'll be the scruffy looking construction guy and probably not get this one. Still pretty bummed out about Monday and blowing that audition. I haven't heard anything, so I imagine I didn't get it. Them's the brakes. Okay, I'll let you know how it goes. Came out of my audition. Let me roll my windows. I was sweating like crazy. Leading up to that one, it's very hot and humid out. I was wearing jeans, insulated work boots, because it's all the ones I got. Got a beard, and this cotton thing, it breathes, but you got to like totally get it soaking wet for it to work properly. But now I'm back in the air conditioning. So, before Jack says bye, or you can just say Jack says bye, and then I'm going to call my agency right now and let John know how it went. So bear with me. So driving. Leaving a message. Just waiting for the beep. Hi John, it's Nick Hudsonovich. I am fresh out of my audition. It's 3:52. There's no need to call me back if you do not wish to. Just letting you know that I didn't die in this one. My heart didn't explode, and everything went pretty good. So got a couple chuckles. So I'm feeling pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, you have a fabulous weekend. Heath out. That there was a classy message. Okay, now Jackson, say bye.